Hi, I'm Brian. I'm gonna do a bike check. So my frame is a custom aftermarket fit frame, 20.6 size, pretty decent, made out of chromoly and high tension steel. And my seat is a DK Pivotal with a emission resin light seat post, and then I got a Verde Eon stocks heat clamp, and then I have one Easton crank, one stock fit crank because the other Easton crank snapped. And then I got stolen Thermalite pedals. I have Ryan Boost sold back rim. I have the Shadow pegs. I have stolen bars. I have a stolen Convict stem. I have Kink headset, Mutiny wand forks, an Easton front rim, Fit fat front tire, Maxxis back tire, Shadow Conspiracy half link chain, Eastern Medusa sprocket, and my favorite ODI long neck grips. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And the Kink Lightus bar ends.
Dark night, shots fly, so don't stay out, Jack. Then you know